Now it's time to look at the benefits of security and governance in the cloud. We'll start with governance. That has to do with government and corporate standards. So the benefits of security and governance in the cloud center, and it doesn't matter which cloud you pick here, is going to be enhanced protection, compliance, and control compared to on-premises solutions. Of course, you're going to have more control when you have your data and your servers on premises, but the type of compliance I'm talking about are the standards that are upheld within the government and with corporations, such as the ISO standards, HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley, things like that. These are all part of governance. Now, it's possible your corporation may also have certain types of corporate standards. We can also refer to those as governance. It's just governance by the corporation themselves. Now, security is going to include multiple different Azure products, such as Azure Threat Protection, Defender for Cloud, Zero Trust, and more. These different products all work together. For example, Microsoft Defender for Cloud is going to enhance protection through Zero Trust-based network segmentation, as well as data encryption. It's also going to help with compliance, with certain compliance, again, with governance, either with the government or with your corporation. And it's also going to help you be in compliance with having backups for disaster recovery, as well as reducing security burdens that you saw earlier in the shared responsibility model. Now, there's three different types of clouds. There is the public cloud, the private, and the combination hybrid cloud. So keep in mind that of all these different types of clouds, the most secure is going to be the private cloud. However, between the public cloud and the hybrid cloud, hybrid is the next most secure, followed by the public. And the reason for that is because the hybrid has at least part of the data held privately. So that's going to give you the same security level as the private cloud itself. But it does have some public types of components to it, or access to it. And so the public cloud, of course, is going to have just public access only, which makes it the most vulnerable. Now, it can be more or less vulnerable depending on how compliant you are with governance as well as corporate standards.